So guys, my Samsung TV is super slow, it drives me nuts. I'm going to show you how to improve that. So 3 things. The first step, you're going to go press home, scroll to settings, scroll down, press on support, press device care. So the first thing I'm going to press start device care. So this will do stuff like free up memory by closing unused background apps. Press done. So next you're going to press home. So you're just going to go and remove or uninstall any apps that you don't use. Just hold down whichever app. Press remove. So for the pre-installed stuff, you may not be able to fully remove it. Okay, so next step. So go and find Samsung TV Plus. So this is always running in the background, uses a lot of storage. Do not just press it, hold down on it. Press remove. Press disable. So yeah, that deletes it. So yeah, now it should be a bit quicker. Alright guys, thanks for watching.